Good morning. Today is Friday, April 4th, 2025. I am here at Julington Creek Marina, and this is a before video of both of us at slip W75. Alright, so I went ahead, got the zinc solved for us. So we have two R4 trim tab zincs, we have one DP612 transom zinc, and then we have two 1.5 inch shaft zincs. And while I was down there on the port side, I can tell there's some electrical current coming off the boat, because I could feel it. I saw my light was starting to do a bit of a strobing effect. Not sure if the camera had any effect on it, but I could definitely tell like a tingling sensation in my fingers. So just gonna note that in the notes afterwards, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean it now and be very careful.